Presenting the Kia 2020 Sportage EX. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 181 horsepower, 2.4L inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine with variable valve timing, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, all-wheel drive, audio controls on steering wheel and automatic transmission. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.